Hill Ministries is partnering with several different health systems and local governments to create a quarantine space for the homeless. 7 News reporter Ann Maxwell standing by to tell us about that. Hello, Ann.
Gordon, right now the state hasn't implemented a plan for the homeless population in the midst of this pandemic, so groups in Greenville are stepping up to open this shelter should an outbreak occur among that vulnerable population.
The Miracle Hill Rescue Mission is a safe haven for those without a place to go. Now it's gearing up to be a refuge for those who need to quarantine if they're infected with COVID-19.
This just really falls right in line with our mission. We are always reaching out to the homeless. We're always reaching out to those who are vulnerable.
The gym at the mission is being stocked with supplies and cots to house dozens of people who have tested positive. A response team from Prisma Health is checking residents, and so far no one staying at Miracle Hill seems to have the virus.
They are screening, not testing, but they're screening our individuals. If they determine that person needs a test, then they will swab them and give them a test immediately.
Upstate activist Tracy Fant says she's glad to see this effort undertaken for such a vulnerable population.
I experienced homelessness myself a few years ago, me and my children, and so I always promised myself that we would give back once we got to the point where we could.
She's put up hand washing stations at a homeless camp in the city.
As far as the homeless community is concerned, they're also aware of what's going on, and they're afraid. They're definitely trying not to spread anything down into the community.
That quarantine shelter is set to open on Friday, and the VP with Miracle Hill I spoke with said they are working with hospitals so that when a patient is discharged, they can head to that shelter if need be. From 7 on Main, Ann Maxwell, 7 News.
All right, Ann, thank you. That facility will be temporary. Community partners like Prisma Health, Bon Secours, Greenville City, and county governments are all looking for a longer-term location.